This isn't just a garden. It's a living mosaic. Every leaf, a stroke of color. Red veins, pink blush, green hearts. Splashes of white like morning clouds. Browns like the earth holding them close. These are caladiums. Nature's own stained glass windows. Quiet, but dramatic. Fragile, yet fearless in color. They don't bloom like flowers. But they speak. In patterns. In palettes. In the language only a leaf can whisper. Watch closely. This is the color of stillness. This is the rhythm of a peaceful garden.